Alright, so displaying clickable buttons with button widgets. So the next thing which we're using is button. So in button, we used to display clickable buttons. So where you can click something and perform some logic. So for example, we developed some submit button, right? What is that? After submitting, the response, whatever is that, is sent to a specified user as an email. So what is that submit thing entry? It is kind of button where we need to click something. They can be configured to call a function. Like whenever a button is clicked, there is some kind of flag or kind of thing, and it turns something. It can You can change the color, you can do certain animations of it. Many things are possible, but what you do is whenever a button is clicked, you call some function, perform some logic, and again return to the same phase. You can manipulate its color, you can manipulate its height and width. See, I've just given a real based example. You can do it, you can manipulate it. There may be certain more features except this width, height, background, and foreground color. So it's nothing like this is the only thing available. There are many, it's like a sea. We are just tasting its drop.